Hi, I'm Dr. Paul Hodgson, and I'm a TMJ specialist. I'm also a chiropractor. So one of the things that makes our office and our approach unique in dealing with TMJ issues is that we sometimes don't focus on the TMJ itself. So traditional treatment of TMJ is going to be through injections, sometimes dental modification, sometimes orthotic braces for the mouth. Our approach is that we are going to analyze the bones of the skull and the bones of the neck. Now, a lot of times people think, isn't there just one bone in the skull? Well, it's actually a series of bones that are very tightly related and very tightly glued together, but they are movable. So we'll adjust, or we'll check first and then adjust if needed those sutures, and oftentimes we'll get a better tracking of the TMJ joint, which will allow it to heal itself over time. Oftentimes we work in conjunction with dentists, orthodontists to make this happen in the right way and in the right order. And then the most unique thing that we do is that we're going to check the upper spine as well. So the bones of the upper neck actually connect through connective tissue and different musculature to the bones that are on the side of the jaw. And so this is a really important thing to check in all TMJ issues and to have corrected for long-term relief of TMJ symptoms.